Hey all you lore keepers out there, welcome back to more Paper Mario the Thousand Year Door remake. So we are here in the badge menu real quick because I just want to show that I took off the power bounce, I put on Happy Heart and Last Stand Partner. I have the hiccups a little tiny bit, this is really annoying. But I wanted to fight this enemy guy real quick. Whoa, hold up now. If you want to pass through here, you gotta pay 10 coins. I can take you. What? You gotta be kidding. You can fight your way through here? I'm gonna make you eat your words, tough guy. Let's get this party started. So we get like a mini boss theme, which is very nice. I like it a lot. And I'm going to... Oh crap, I forgot to put Cobella in. Okay. It's fine. I saw you, Bucket. Alright, I gotta swap. Good guard. This guy has like 3 attack, I think, so he's pretty tough. Let's tattle him real quick. Perfect. That's Gus. He's super annoying and tries to take tolls from everyone. Max HP is 20, attack is 3, and defense is 0. All in all, he's pretty tough. Oh, and I'm sure it's super obvious, but that pointy spear hurts if you stomp on it. I wonder if this guy watches people pass 365 days a year. Talk about a workaholic. No? No, I definitely hit down. There we go. Okay. And he's gonna toss a spear. Nope, he's gonna charge. Okay. That charge can be hard to avoid sometimes, but... Alright, I'm gonna swap out here, go back to Coops. And you know what? Screw it. Let's actually show the Earth Tremor. We already saw Sweet Treat in the tutorial, so... I don't know how to use it. So this, you just have to hit A once the line lines up with the button. Looks quite a bit different in this game, actually. It's fine. I think it's easier. Earth Tremor is one of my personal favorite star abilities that we'll get, so it's very strong. Look at that, 6 damage. It's crazy. Okay, good guard there. I'm gonna put him in the back because he's taken enough. Power smash him again. Okay, that's 4 damage there. Get some of our star points back here. And Shell Toss. Perfect. And we get 20 star points for that, which also gives us a level up. We were only 1 away, so easy stuff. I am definitely going for badge points because I want that quick switch. And we got a bunch of star points back. Alright, cool. Or not star points, but star power. Words are hard. Crud, you dumb video game heroes always pull this stuff off. It's ridiculous. You think violence solves everything, don't you, huh? Don't you? I just wanted to fight you, bro. So if we go over here, there are... Oh, wow, this is actually already... Well, there was never a bridge here in the first game. That's interesting. We don't have the key for this, though, so we can't actually do anything there. Oh, maybe I'm thinking of this. That might be it. You can see there's actually a treasure down there, but we can't get into that yet. Can't get into that house either. So, we'll just continue on with our way. I just wanted to get that boss fight out of the way. Just because I wanted it done. I didn't want to have to think about it anymore. Oh, hey. That's what Professor Frankly showed us before. Squeeze our way in here. There he goes. There it goes. It might not be he, who knows. Go enter the pipe here. We actually saw this thing our first time going through here. Hey Mario, you see that? It was one of those things Professor Frankly mentioned. now we can squeeze our way through these bars. Eek! Just don't eat me. Huh? You didn't come to eat me. And you're not bullies? Guess again, nerd. No, leave me alone, you big meanies. Mario, that was uncool. Don't say stuff like that. I thought you were nicer. Relax, relax, little guy. We're not bullies, I swear. For real? Phew, boy, that's good. I thought for a second I might have an accident. Aren't you one of the creatures from Boggly Woods? Why are you down here? What? Why do you know about me? No, you must be! You guys are working for those X-Nauts, aren't you? You chased me here. No, it's the end! X-Nauts? What the heck are those? Sounds like tissues to the extreme or something. Look, we're not here to do anything to you, so relax. Tell us what's going on, okay? Well, okay, this gang of bad guys who call themselves X-Nauts came to where I live. They came inside our great tree and started tearing it apart and causing trouble. So I've come all the way here looking for help. A bunch of bad guys in the great tree. If those are the same bad guys who took the princess, they might be in the Boggly Woods to find the crystal star. Now that you mention it, they did say something about some crystal star thingy. These hiccups are killing me. But we punies don't know anything about any crystals or stars. Say, could you guys help us out? Maybe chase them off? If you do, we'll give you, what was it? The crystal star? If you do, we'll have the puny elder give you that. I don't know what it is, but if it'll help us reclaim our tree, I'm sure the elder will agree. So, what do you say? Let's not waste any more time. I'm begging you. Really? You aren't joking? You'll do it? I guess we should. I'd feel pretty bad if we didn't do anything. Plus, we need to get the crystal stars before those X guys do. Oh, thank you so much. This is great. I'm so happy. My name's Punio. Pleased to meet you. I'll take you to where I live. Follow me, okay? It's this way. This way we go. Wait, hang on a second. I'm sure the puny elder said some button around here was open the secret entrance. Aha! There it is. Huh. I love how the piece just like fell over. It's fun. First off, if we go to the left here though, we can go and pick up this damage dash badge. Boost defense by 1 with a flexible guard action command by Mario. And that is a very good badge. I believe it costs 6. Oh, it only costs 2? That's crazy. Alright, so actually I think that's the one I want to equip then. Because I definitely want the quick change. So if we have quick change and damage dodge, that'll be good for now. Well, we're going to need Power Smash eventually though. I'll get rid of damage dodge for now, just so we can do that. And I guess close call for now as well. Definitely getting badge points the next level up as well. We can get to the woods we punies live in by going through that pipe there. Okay, hurry, hurry! Chapter 2, The Great Boggly Tree. Oh, the music's so good. So the Boggly Woods, huh? Looks mysterious, alright. What'll we run into next? Okay, just a bit farther and we should be able to see the great tree. The elder and her friends are waiting for us there. Oh, and my little sister too. Come on, let's go. Let's go indeed. Oh man, the music here is great. Time to go to work, lovelies. Vivian, you understand what we've got to do, yes? A, find that Mario guy. B, steal the map to the crystal stars, right? We can just do away with Mario and his friends, can't we? Or is that bad? Oh, bad things happen all the time, Vivian, but you're right about our goals. If my information is correct, Mario should be coming down this road quite soon. You must ambush him here and get that map. What's this now? Vivian, what's that you're fawning over there? Oh, what, you mean this? I found it near that tree over there a while back. Isn't it a gorgeous necklace? It was so lovely, I just had to pick it. Vivian, for shame, picking up someone's scraps, disgusting. Greedy. But enough about that, Vivian, my dear pack rat. Bring out the sketch of that Mario guy you got from Grodus. Mwehehe. What? I don't have that. You said it was way too important, so you took it. You should have it. Don't be ridiculous, I don't have that thing. You were in charge of it. You wretched little worm, blaming me for something you probably screwed up. But Giga. Oh, what is it, Marilyn? How? What's that, a mustachioed fellow? This is no time for such nonsense, you great oaf. Save your games for later. Now, where was I? You, Vivian, don't tell me you lost our precious sketch. But listen, look, it's not my fault. I never had the sketch. Silence, you ditz! Such impudence! How dare you talk back to me like some rebellious child? It's clear to me that the only rationale you understand is force. For your punishment, I'll be taking that necklace you just found. Yes, so sorry. But Beldum... Oh, you're horrid. Alright, we got some family drama going on here. We're just gonna avoid as much as possible. I don't even know what this means. I'm just gonna, like, toss it. Ooh, the sound in the trees is very nice. I like it a lot. Oh gosh. Alright. I want to attack this guy. There we go. Perfect. And I forgot I need to bell out for this, so. Oh, that was really loud. I'm so sorry. These guys are clefts, though. They are very big. And I am going to tattle this one. I forgot I still had a quick change on. Very, very good. That's a cleft, a rock-headed jerk with spikes on his noggin. What a rocker. Max HP is 2, attack is 2, and defense is 2. That hard head is a major pain. Fire doesn't hurt it, but other types of items are pretty effective, usually. If nothing seems to work on it, you can always just run. You can. Or you can just have someone like Hiccups, and he can, like, not one-shot. Well, actually, this will one-shot him. Oh, no. Never mind. My bad. Mario has to use Power Smash to even damage these things, or that defense hammer that we have would also work. So I like the Power Smash a little bit more personally, but that's just me. Good. And let's go over to Kumbella again, because I want to first strike these guys as well. Piranha Plant. Perfect. I'm going to normal hammer. Now these guys, they have spikes. Their teeth are spikes, so you actually can't jump on them because they're facing upward. So you gotta be careful about jumping on them. That's a pale piranha. You know about these guys, the famous piranha plant. This colorless subspecies is adapted to Boggly Woods. Ah, the wonders of nature. Max HP is 4, attack is 2, defense is 0. If you try to jump on them, they'll totally chomp on you. Yep, just like she said, so we can't actually jump on these guys at all. Oh, I pressed A too early. My beat. In the original Paper Mario, they actually there were piranha plants, but they faced forward, so you actually could jump on them. But they decided to face them upward in this one, probably to make them closer to the like actual interpretation of how they are in the normal games, I would imagine. Hey, got all of our flower points back. That's great. Shell toss this guy. Perfect. Done. Oh, here we go, finally. So what's going to happen is the effect of the charm increased your coin threefold. So we got triple the amount of coins from that, which unfortunately that wasn't the best one to get that on, but the fact that we got it at all is nice. So I'm going to... screw it, I'm going to get rid of the in coupon. I don't really use them anyway, so it's fine. Okay, got him again. Oh wow, there's three of them. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to power shell. Okay. And hammer. Oh, I messed it up. It's fine. Not the end of the world. Perfect. Getting closer to another level up. We're almost halfway there. I wish we could have gotten triple coins on that one. That would have been nice. So with that charm, you can also get like double star points after battles, and I think sometimes she'll double your attack as well. So it's lots of versatility with it, which is why I wanted to get it. There, can you see it? The big tree. That's what I was telling you about. That's where we Punies live. That's home. Of course, it's not just in the tree. Lots of jabbies and piters, too. Well, anyway, Mario, follow me. Let's go. They really like you entering dungeons through the background. It's really interesting how they do that. This place is awesome. Well, take a look. The store wasn't here before. Someone just installed it. And I can't open it. I thought I could finally save everyone. I'm a fool. Hey, don't take it so hard. It does look sturdy, though. What do we do? What do we do now? Got it! Mario, over here. Oh, it looks more like a ramp now. That's interesting. Long ago, the puny elder told me about a secret entrance somewhere around here. We'll get in that way. Problem is, I doubt finding it's gonna be easy. I mean, it won't be labeled secret entrance. Not to be a worrywart, but how in the heck can we find a secret entrance? Well, it's hidden by this invisible thingy. We need to find and remove the thingy first. Boy, but removing a normal thingy sounds tough enough, let alone an invisible one. Oh, got it, Flurry! Surely Madame Flurry's power can help us. Flurry is a refined and dignified lady who lives in these woods. The elder says she's a wood spirit who can wield the powers of the air with ease. You see where I'm going with this? She can use the wind power to blow the thingy away. Well, it won't hurt to try. Flurry lives in the deepest corners of the woods, so let's head back in that direction we came. Alright. Ah, these woods are the most wonderful in all the world. Yes, indeed. Building a house here was just the finest idea I ever did have. Oh my, yes.
This place is so different from the bright flashbulbs of the world I'm used to. Such peace, this negative image of the real world soothes my body and soul. But what's even better is that I, Madame Fleury, grow ever more lovely here. Plus those squishy, adorable little punies that live in that tree are so nice to me. This music is insane. But I suppose if I stay here too long, I'll begin to crave hustle and bustle before long. Oh my, it's happening even as I speak already. I feel the need for drama. That moment of exhilaration when the spotlight shines down on the stage, on me. Surely I was born to be an actress for the ages. It's settled then, I shall rise again. But before I make my stage comeback, I simply must whip my body and mind into shape. I'll just have to put on some makeup and make my beauty even more beautiful. Wait a moment. Oh my gosh, the music trailing off is amazing. No, it's gone, I tell you, my... Her what? Who knows? Let's find out. Now you can see right over there, there is another in coupon on the ground. I'm not picking that up. If we head east from here, we'll see Flurry's place in no time. Perfect. Oh, hey, this guy. What are you doing over here, bro? Hey, yo, I've got all the hottest new products here. Hey, look no further. Okay, just items. Temporarily makes enemies tiny, dropping their attack power. Okay, I mean, that's fine. Oh, don't shop with my man, that's too bad. Seriously, it's all hot. I mean, rare stuff. And you never know when you're gonna wish you had some of my gear, man. I'm gonna say no. Anyways. Ooh, watch out for the big boy here. Oh, hey, we have clouds now. Last strike first. Boom. Very good. I'm going to swap to Goombella. And we're gonna not head bonk, we're gonna tattle. That's a Dark Puff. It's basically a tiny, mean Thunderhead. Max HP is 3, attack is 2, and defense is 0. Sometimes it'll charge itself with electricity. Don't touch it when it does. Youch. You know what I mean, right? Bzzzt. Shocking. After it charges itself, it'll totally zap you with lightning. Beat it as fast as you can. So this is one of those enemies that we can sometimes hit with the hammer and sometimes can't, because it'll actually change its position on the field. So like right now, and now we can't jump on it either because it's electrified. So the only way to truly beat it is to use an item on him. And the only item we have would be the Fire Flower. The only other thing I can think of is if we use Earth Tremor, actually. If we get enough, then it will hit him, even in the air. So let's try that out. Perfect. Almost messed that one up, but we got it. Good. Excellent. So as you can see, we can hit him, and it goes all the way to the ceiling, so perfect. Earth Tremor is very, very strong. It is such a good attack. Alright, let's swap back to Coops here. Get our flower points back, that's nice. I'm gonna smack this guy with Coops, there we go. I just want to knock him out, he's in my way, so. Okay, I'm gonna jump on the Dark Buff here. As you can see, the Dark Buff actually jumped, or floated downwards, so that's very helpful for us. Power Shell so I can knock them both out. Perfect. 5 star points. Very good. Got these coins here.
Now, I believe there's something if we go all the way over here and go up here. I want to say we get a star piece if we do this, so I'm going to try that out. Oh, we also get this. Okay. So this is a requirement. We got to hit that. And there's a shine sprite there, so we'll have to use Coops to hit that. But also the star piece that I was thinking of. Perfect. Let's go up here. And definitely want to get that. I guess it's farther over here. There we go. Perfect. So we need 2 more of those, then we can level up another party member. That'll be great. And fly around here. Perfect. What do we got? Quake Hammer. Damage all enemies on the ground or ceiling. Quake Hammer is another one of my more favorite badges in the game, honestly. It is really strong. Its use will become very apparent later on, especially. Because sometimes you fight like 5 enemies at once. Ooh, star piece, nice. So it's very, very helpful when that happens. And actually, it would have been really helpful in this situation, because it does knock those guys over, too, so... Let's see, what do I want to do? I think I want to use the POW block that we have here. It's not going to affect the cloud, but I'm going to jump on it. Oh, it did affect the cloud. That's weird. I did not expect it to affect the cloud because it wasn't touching the ground. Very interesting. I'll take it. And we could heal up, but you know what, screw it. It's only 7 points. Might as well. Mostly there for the 3 flower points, but search through here. I think there's something in this tree. No, okay. Oh wait, I'm seeing something. It's a Volt Shroom. Okay. And I use an item. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm seeing a star piece. All right. Very cool. Now let's enter the pipe and go off to Madame Flurry's house. Excuse me. Maybe she isn't here. I wonder if she went for a walk in the woods. Maybe. Madame Flurry, hello? If you're here, say something. Knock, knock. Eee! No, out of the question. You mustn't come in here. Madame Flurry, are you there? Is that you? What are you doing? Oh, wait a moment. Those darling, squishy little footsteps. Is that you, Punio? Oh, it's been an age since I saw you last, you poor dear. Is there something you need? Well, the thing is, we have a problem. The Great Tree's entry hole is blocked. My puny friends are trapped inside, so they're in a pickle, and Mario needs these crystal stars. It's a train wreck, really. That's why we need you to come with us and find the secret entrance, Madame Flurry. Oh, is that all, dearie? You came all the way here just for that? My adorable little Punio, you know I would do anything in my power to help you. However, lamentably, I'm in a bit of a bind myself. I just cannot come out. Gee, is something wrong? It's somewhat embarrassing, but I never go out without my favorite necklace. I just can't find the blasted thing. I suspect I dropped it on my daily constitutional. I said blasted, but it's blessed. I don't know. I'd be simply scandalized when it saw me without it, so I shan't be going out. I absolutely must have that necklace to highlight my beauty, and that's that. Gee whiz, that must be some nice necklace, huh? Hang on. You know what? It's weird. I'm sure I just heard someone talking about a necklace. What's that? Do speak up. You, whoever just spoke, do you have some clue as to my necklace's whereabouts? If you do, you must help me. Please, be a dear. Find it and bring it back to me. After that, I will most certainly join you and help my squishy little friend Punio. Don't worry, Madame Flurry. I'm sure Mario can find your necklace. Word is, he's super. You can do it, right, Mario? Sure. Oh, yeah. Great, it's decided then. Let's go find it. I'm sorry to trouble you so. No problem. Let's do it. So, we have to backtrack back to the beginning of the Boggly Woods, which isn't the worst thing, but oh. Beldum, I told you, you blamed me for losing the sketch, but you had it. Silence, you twit! Now's not the time to get hung up on stupid details. We must study this sketch. Wow, this Mario guy looks so manly. Check out that bushy mustache. How handsome. You know something, though, my lovelies. I swear I've seen this gentleman before. Ah, he's Mr. Mustache.
Go.
Ah, I don't believe this, Vivian. This is without a doubt all your fault. I'll be dealing out some strict punishment later, my dearie. Oh, yes, I promise you that. What? That's not fair. You're the one who had the... Silence, you squirrel brain. Don't you cop that insolent attitude with me. This is not fair. And about that necklace, I was thinking of returning it to you, but no more! Oh. And since you caused this problem, you have to figure out how to find this Mario chump.
Oh, God.
I feel so bad for Marilyn, like... That's the voice that I have to give her, because that's what they literally give her for the text. I don't know what else to do for her. I do what I can. I just play it how it is, right? So, it is what it is. It's fine. It's not the big deal. I just always thought Marilyn's, like, dialogue was really weird and kind of rude, honestly, but... It just, I can't do nothing about it. It is what it is. Jump on this guy here. And I guess I'm going to power shell so I can hit both these guys. He's going to charge up and he's going to attack. There we go. Unfortunately, I can't do anything really against the flyer, so I'm just gonna appeal, I guess. Okay, and then shell toss this guy, so at least he'll be done. Perfect. And yeah, I messed up the timing on it. That's fine. Perfect. Done. 7 star points. 64. Very nice. Look at all them coins. Actually, it was a lot of coins. I'm just gonna run away from that guy. It's not necessary to fight him, so I'll run past him. He's never been there before, so that must be something they added in this version of the game too. It's pretty cool. Having some sort of item vendor is not a bad thing, so I'm gonna avoid the piranha plants. Avoid you. There's so many enemies. Here we go. Well, if it isn't Mario! Shiny mustache or no, you can't be too bright if you come here looking for us. And you know why? Because we were waiting for you. I remember. They're the ones with the... Hey, wait a second. What do you mean you've been waiting for Mario? That sounds suspicious. I have no quarrel with you, but I simply cannot allow you to hunt for the crystal stars. And so, I'll be taking that little map of yours just as soon as I deal with you. Whoa, scary lady. How do you know about the map and the crystals? Have you talked to the Princess Peach or something? Hey, now that I think about it, who are you anyway? Those who seek names are often disappointed, but if you insist, we'll tell you. We are
the 3
Shadow Sisters. The 3 Shadow Sisters? Vivian, you nincompoop, what are you babbling about? It's just shadows, the 3 shadows. Sisters makes us sound less mysterious and less scary. How many times must I remind you? Alright, sis, I'm sorry. It's just it makes me really happy when you call me your sisters, so... How insufferably sappy. Oh, you've got some fierce punishment coming your way. Aw, gee whiz, I hate being punished.
That's for later, though. First, we have to deal with Mario and his friends. Let's do it, my lovelies. Marilyn, Vivian. The might of the three shadows, relation withheld, will be more than enough to win the day. Relation withheld is awesome. Oh, okay, good. That is a brand new line. I love that. It's most unlucky that our sights are set on you. Well, unlucky for you, of course. Marilyn, Vivian, let's show them precisely what we can do. Go. Yes, sis. Can't flee. First things first, just like always, I want to switch over to Goombella. We have a lot of tattling to do. In fact, I'm going to put her out front. Let's do Vivian first. That's Vivian. She's the youngest of the three shadows. Max HP is 10, attack is 1, and defense is 0. She doesn't seem all that noteworthy. She's kind of cute, I guess. She might even be cuter than I am. I guess. Wow, I think I might be jealous. That's awesome. I am just going to power smash Vivian's face because I feel like it. I was actually hoping the tree was going to fall, but fortunately not. And she punches. Now I believe if she... Okay. If you don't guard it, I want to say that you get inflamed. Basically, it's like kind of like poison from Pokemon. You take damage every turn. So, okay, let's do. That's Marilyn. She's one of the three shadows. Beldam's younger sister. Max HP is 12, attack is 2, and defense is 0. She charges up her attacks occasionally. It says here she's the toughest of the sisters, so it might be best to defeat her first, huh? Other than that, she doesn't have any particular outstanding characteristics. Okay, so we should actually probably just like normal jump on Marilyn then. Because charging is going to hurt. Okay, guard that. Perfect. Yup, there's that charge. Oh no. Charge attack power is now boosted. And she's tiny now. So, yeah, Beldam is a caster kind of. Like, Beldam is the one that, like, uses ice, I believe, as well. So, that's Beldam. She's the oldest sister, the leader of the three shadows. Max HP is 9, attack is 1, and defense is 0. But her blizzard attack has an attack of 2. She can make her partners big and make us tiny, and attacks us with weird magic. The worst thing about her is that sinister snicker. She sounds so totally evil. I mean, she's just the sort of person you'd want to avoid like the plague, you know? Accurate. Okay. Ah, I messed up. Alright. Let's see. Now that we've done that, swap back to Coops here. I'm gonna Earth Tremor. Marilyn is about to destroy us, though, with her charge attack. But if I max this out, we'll do 6 damage, so that's what I'm banking on right now. Okay. Perfect. Ah, well, I messed up the last one, but it should still be 5 damage, so I'm happy with that. Yep, it's still good damage. Ah, you're tougher than I thought, Mr. Mustache. I guess it's time to stop toying with you. I forgot the voice for a second. Hit him, Marilyn, now! Go. What are you doing, Vivian, you twit? I'll never forgive you if you lose. Sorry, sis. Oh, and she has a flame attack, that's right. And she has lightning. And the blizzard. The timing on this one was weird. Yeah, I messed it up. So we are now in danger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to Power Shell. Because that takes out Vivian. Sorry, sis. And I definitely want to take out Marilyn right now. Perfect. Oh, God.
we go, guarded that. And let's not belt him out. Perfect. Ah! And get our 30 star points. Oh my gosh, I think we just got double star points. The effective charm doubled in your star points. Yes, we just got 60 star points for that. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I could not have planned that better. That is awesome. I am so glad we got that on recording. That is so cool. On a boss fight. Oh my gosh. Amazing. That is so awesome. Yeah. Ooh. Maybe we were just a touch overconfident. Marilyn, Vivian, you lumps, we would have won if you two pulled your weight. Both of you prepare for a world-class punishment session when we get home. Ugh. But the necklace... Leave it! Aw. I kind of feel bad for Vivian, honestly, but... Either way, we got the necklace, so... that's Flurry's necklace. Yes, let's take it to her. Let's take it to her, indeed. But we will do that in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. And I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.